I'm Björn Schaffen. I'm at the Ecosystem and Partner Management in one of our business lines, Digital Security and Identity at Infineon Technologies. So Infineon Technologies is European largest and one of the top 10 worldwide semiconductor manufacturers. And we're focusing on driving decarbonization, automotive, power, and digitalization, which is connectivity, security, and a lot of sensing. And yeah, we're doing about 15 billion euro turnover. We show here the so-called ultra-wideband CAR PAY GO demo, which is a prototype showing the combination of our hardware-secure digital platform, used for payment services, other services in smartphones, in wearables, and the ultra-wideband and Bluetooth advantages in doing, therefore, ranging and precise positioning. So what I want to do first, I want to show the enrollment of your card credentials, so you can see a transaction history from the previous transaction. So I log it out because I'm a new user, I'm entering the car, so I'm logging out, and I want to have a new card, and I do that by reading the camera. It says here Katie Smith and the number, and then it's always a bit tricky to find the right setup here. Now it detects, so we have the number Katie Smith and the number. I register. But then I have to enroll my fingerprint. I take this for my index finger here, and I have to do it 7 times. Takes a bit longer. But that needs to learn. So in this case, we are using the inbuilt secure element of the dashboard to keep your credentials and your fingerprint templates. Now it's successfully enrolled. We have enrolled. So now I'm here. Now you can see you have the 3 services here. And the 3 services, now I can switch on my ultra-wideband device, and this indicates either the parking gate or the gate at the car park, or the toll-free gate, or the vehicle charging. For example, I go for parking, I switch it on, and you can see now the car moves. So we had to reverse it because there's not enough space here in the room. So normally, of course, the car should go towards the anchor, but here we do it the other way around, so you can see it moves. And this is the so-called threshold. So if you reach it out, so you are in the zone, nothing happens. And once I go later back into this zone to start something, for example, parking, then I think this will this threshold will be triggered and the payment will flow. So we do the toll fee, and then you can see when I'm moving here closer, you have to pay for the toll fee. If I use the wrong finger, it will not work. If I use the right finger, it does work. So, and then you have success, and you can see also the history. How often have I paid? You can see all the transaction history here. I think that once people will realize how much devices are already equipped with ultra-wideband, how nice it is and to use, how easy it is to implement it, and also how secure it is, there will be more implementations coming up. This is what I'm fully convinced that this will happen in the future. You see the predictions in the market, but you also see a lot of cars equipped, and you see the people will realize, oh, I can use my mobile phone instead of the card enrolling here and just using the display here, and that gives you so much flexibility. That's why I believe it's obvious this will come, and the combination again of payment and ultra-wideband in a ranging scheme is really a beautiful combination. You can go to our website. Yes, in Infineon we are a worldwide company. We have offices all around. We often even 2 or 3 in Canada or wherever you are located, and happy to give you more insights. And yeah, feel free to reach out to us, and I'll be happy to discuss more about ultra-wideband with you. Please visit www.infineon.com. And then you have an application pages and also product pages, and you can find all addresses you need to contact us.